Good evening, Daddy.
Hello, my daughter. How are you? How was your day?
It was quite delightful.
What made it so delightful?
Well, a boy said he liked me.
Say what? Like who? Tell him if you gonna like him, boy.
Daddy, you said that we were always supposed to speak properly.
Listen to me and listen to me good. When they look at boy, them come round you. Speaking properly, have to go one side.
But you are far. You said speaking properly demonstrates a level of intelligence.
Them not understand speaking properly. You have to chat to them bad. No boy.
Show me your mad face.
But Daddy, he's caring and kind. He even gives me sweets.
Give me this. Sweet, I go rat in your teeth. Tell him say your parents and feed you at daytime.
Tomorrow, he'll be bringing my favorite cheesecake.
Tell him why you're not hungry. What's wrong with your child? You don't get the point to me. I try and make to you.
Don't perplex my tranquility.
Seriously, Daddy, are you saying that I can't have myself a boyfriend?
I'm frustrated, you see me? I'm frustrated bad. There's an issue.
Listen to me. Yes, you can have a boyfriend, of course. You're my daughter, you know. But before you have that boyfriend, more you bring a master's degree from one big university, put on in front of me with your name on it. Until then, I'll be a book friend you have. 1 book, 2 book, 3 book friend. And end the conversation, go do some work. Oh. Mr. Gan, go down to that school. This little generation of vipers and backbiters who are going to break up my little daughter. I can't go down to that school. Sure.
School is online, and plus there's Instagram.
Say what?
Nothing, Daddy.
This little girl that got stressed me out. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't keep the fun to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And remember, click that notification bell because YouTube will not send you anything more from me. Until next time, big up yourself and stay strong.